Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you change and replace your ABS sensor on S-Class Mercedes-Benz. This is an S550, but the same procedure will work for most S-Classes. So number one here is the ABS wheel sensor right here. We're just going to loosen this. It's an 8mm. Once that's undone, then you're just going to pull the sensor out. Sometimes you're going to have to kind of push it, wiggle it back and forth, and then just pull it out. And I mean, it's all plastic, so you want to make sure that you pull it out with gentleness so you don't break it inside there. Otherwise you'd have to drill it out and other things, and it would make the process a lot longer. So we've undone that, and then you can follow the line back to figure out. You gotta undo. Just work it back and forth out of the clamp that's back there. Then there's another one here. And the same thing. Work it out, pull it out. There's one up here. That's all the ones that hold it in. And then the next, up in here is a clip. I'm trying to get a good picture that will be on there. But there's a clip, and what you do is you push it down with something, and then if you use something else, you can pry and pull it out. You just gotta work it out of here. And see? And then it comes undone, and that's how you would remove it. And then you would get your new one, put it back in the reverse order, and make sure you just follow it back up and pushing in all the clips. And then hook it back together with this other clip, which actually goes to the air suspension. Come up like that, and then get it back in here. So once you put them back together, you'll just push them in, and the clip holds it, and then you just feed this back through all of the grommets that hold everything in. And then there is this little metal tab that you can slide this down through there. And then we got it back through here. I'm just gonna push the new sensor in there. Take your little 8mm bolt. That's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor on an S-Class Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.